Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I'm in Chicago. There's the bean, and we're gonna be feeding some pigeons bread.
Here.
Oh,
This is unique.
Seagull just came and stole it. Oh God.
Seagull.
Oh
Feed
God.
him. Feed him.
Oh God, there's birds everywhere. Okay. Oh God. Bread.
Bread.
I hit a bird. More.
Okay, they're fighting. Okay, just came
God.
up here. There you go, pigeons.
You guys hungry? Bread.
Just give him. How many pieces do you have?
Wait.
No more. Just a few. Oh, he has some. See? That's enough.
Take it.
This guy has some too. Let's
Okay.
not make them starve.
How you guys?
Oh,
you guys
come on. Feed him.
No, wait.
Are you hungry? This guy didn't get any. Give him that. Give that. This guy didn't get any.
Look at
Hey.
him. He's beautiful. He's beautiful, baby.
I got bread. Hey, little guy.
Bread. Well, guys,
You guys, we need to feed these pigeons.
hashtag stop pigeon abuse. Pigeon, I have bread. Pigeon, take my bread. Take my bread. Take it. Take my freaking bread.
Here, give me it. I have a good spot for it. One, we gotta try and get these
Pidgeys.
pigeons. Sure.
Pidgeys.
Sure.
I can almost.
Just throw it. Don't make sure.
Okay.
Oh, you can't see that.
Okay, we already fed them enough. They're already fat enough. Dang, feels good. I just threw the last piece of bread out there. Well, we fed the birds.
They don't feed them.
Like, who cares? We already fed them.
Like she wants your food still.
We have.
Not because too many of them show up here.
Well, we have one piece of bread left, so if we find any and that girl's not around, then we can. Well, guys.
Josh's gonna go to the bathroom. We're gonna go down this way and then we'll go over to that Maggie
Okay,
Daily.
so.
You know,
Guys.
grab your water, Jazz. Come on.
Guys, we got in trouble for feeding the birds if you didn't see that.
They're gonna throw you guys in jail.
Just for feeding birds. Do they want the birds to die? Like, okay, now
very
that
rudely, too.
that is just trippy. That
First she said, What?
no,
Not
and
rudely, it's Chicago.
Hey, look at my girlfriend sent me.
no, but seriously, I think she's just a random person.
Oh my God, it's a
I think she's just a random person and she's just judging us because we're trying to help birds. Okay, now that spot is in the wrong place on the guy's sign. That's
That spot is just in the wrong place.
Yep.
That just doesn't even at me.
Oh my. No.
After one?
No, when you're in a concert but no one else joins you.
So sad.
Remember being here, Jazz? For the Notre Dame pep rally?